toolbar is used to add POIs and areas, as well as show and modify the route network. The Add POI button creates a point of interest where you click on the map, and then opens the Location Details pane for you to name the POI and set attributes. The Add Area button creates an area as you click to create corners of a polygon, and then opens the Location Details pane for you to name the area and set the attributes. The Show Network button toggles the route network on and off so you can see the walkable areas within and throughout your facility. The Add Barrier Route Element button creates a route barrier where you add it on the map. Route barriers include only allowing certain app user roles to use that route, closing the route, adding a delay to the route, or making the route one-way only. You can also add restrictions to doors by clicking on the door in the route network. In many cases, adding restrictions here is preferable to adding barriers to the route network itself. The Reload Route Network button reloads the route network after you've made route restrictions. This allows you to make many route changes at one time and reload the network when you're ready to see all the changes you've applied. The plus and minus signs adjust the zoom level. Values range from zoom 15 to zoom 22.